So hello and good evening everybody. This is DK Mathur and I am your live trainer from today. Friends, when I teach in online classes, in spoken English classes, that time many of the students ask one single question. Sir, I have lack of speaking environment. Sir, when I speak English, I feel lack of confidence. Sir, I have fear of speaking. They ask a lot of questions like that. And we help them as well and engage them in various activities in live classes. But what about those people who don't join the live classes or who want to connect with us for a long time? Because language learning is a long time process. We cannot be master at language in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It is a lifelong process, and we have to be consistent in this language learning process. So, because of that, I have made this YouTube channel, and the name of the YouTube channel is English by BK Mathur. And on this YouTube channels, we will talk to those students who want to create a speaking environment, who want to connect with me, who want to talk to me, because they want that someone please come and please help me, please guide me, please monitor me, and please tell me my mistakes. So I will do podcast with you, and I will talk to you every day around. I will talk one people every day, and you will get the video in this YouTube channel. If you watch the video and if you talk to me every day for just some of the months, you will get that, you will realize that you are speaking better English than earlier. Friends, and I want to say you something that you can speak English, but you have to understand that why you should speak English. There are a lot of YouTube channels, there are a lot of teachers on YouTube. They teach very well, they teach conceptually. But some of the teachers are focusing on only the activities, like they want to create some classes and some environment for the students. Similarly, I am going to do the same. I am not going to teach you on this YouTube channel and conceptually like tenses, modal verb, like that. I will just talk to you. I will guide you. I will just check your mistake where you are making, and I will give you the feedback. If you consistently work upon it, you will see the changes in yourself, and you will be a great speaker after some of the days. So it is very important. Now the point is that what you will get on this YouTube channel. Friends, on these YouTube channels, you will get every day a podcast video. Through that, you will know that how to talk in day-to-day life, how to talk in particular situation, how to talk in interview, how to talk in like doing a meeting, business, whatever. In a regular day-to-day life things as well, how to talk at home with friends on call. So you will get these things only. Now I want to tell you that why you should connect with me. If you have a trainer who always monitor you, if you have a trainer who always guides you and checks your mistakes, then you should not connect with me. But if you are not connected with such people, then you should connect with me, and you should like consult me, and I will consistently guide you. Friends, it's the reality that I am too busy in online classes, but I will take some time for you, and I will talk to you as well, and I will give you a better environment, and I will give you a better platform to master your communication. So please come with me, and you have my number. My number is 95077844648. From today onward, if you want to do a podcast with me. If you want to talk to me, you are welcome on my YouTube channels. And we will do the meeting. We will do a podcast every day. Most of the time we will do on Sunday, but I will try to do one podcast with one student every day. So you can share this video for those people who want to talk in English only. Don't share this video for those people who don't want to talk and who don't want to learn. Because I want those people who are really sensitive towards language learning. Okay, so you can share it with those people. Okay, so thank you so much for today. I will see you in a particular podcast upcoming. So bye bye, take care, stay awesome, stay productive, and keep learning.